Hello, today we're making a colorful twist on Khai being baked eggs. We'll need a dozen eggs, and for coloring we'll need vinegar, food coloring, and a little bit of water. We'll let the egg soak in the mixture for about a minute or two to get some color, and then we'll remove it and pat it dry. To season the eggs, we'll use a sharp skewer or gently tap the egg to poke a hole large enough to empty the yolk and the whites from the shell. Season with salt, pepper, a little bit of MSG, and fried garlic. Whisk well and then funnel the mixture back into the eggshells. Bake low and slow for about 2 hours and then remove, let cool completely, and enjoy. For this full recipe, tips, and more, visit crumbs.com.